Hey drivers! In this video, we are covering an essential topic, how to pay for your fuel while on the road with F&C Packaging. Fueling up the right way helps us keep everything running smoothly, so let's get into it. Each of you is given a Chase Business debit card by F&C Packaging. This card is strictly for fuel purchases only. No personal items or extras unless you've been given express permission. Use the card directly at the pump every time. When you're at the pump, swipe your Chase card and select the credit option. This keeps everything consistent for our records. If the card doesn't work at the pump, try another pump or a different gas station. After fueling up, keep track of those receipts. Snap a photo of both the receipt and your fuel gauge showing the fuel level. Only purchases with verified receipts will be deducted at 50%, so send them on time. Keep this card secure at all times. It's strictly for fuel purchases. Any unauthorized charges can have serious consequences, so let's keep it professional and only use it for its intended purpose. If your card is ever lost, stolen, or damaged, contact F&C Packaging immediately. We'll work on getting a replacement out to you as soon as possible, so you can get back on the road without any interruptions. Make sure you've saved Fraser's contact information so you can easily reach out if you encounter issues with fueling or card problems. Being able to quickly connect with us when needed will keep things running smoothly. So that's it. Remember, use the card directly at the pump, keep those receipts, and reach out if you need help. Following these steps will make things easier for both you and the team at F&C Packaging. Remember to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Check out F&C University to learn more about how to crush it in expediting. Till next time, drive safe and keep hustling. Thanks for watching.